Today in this video I will be showing you a thing in Excel like restricting the user from entering some alphabets in phone number column, or maybe restricting the user from entering phone number which is less than of 10 digits. So this data validation is something like this, that in a particular range of cells you won't be able to enter some alphabet, or you won't be able to enter some number which is less than of 10 digit. So how we can do this? For this particular scenario I'll be I'll be showing you an Excel table as a taking it as an example. So here in this book to Excel, I have this Excel with me. So I'm clicking on B and pressing Ctrl plus from my keyboard to insert a new blank column, and I'll be giving it here phone number. Now we are having two functions in Excel. One is len. Now len works on strings and it counts the number of character within a string and returns that results. And we have a function isnumber in Excel. It returns true or false, that is boolean. So if you enter any number, it will be returning true, and if you enter some alphabet, it will return false. So we will be combining these two functions of Excel to achieve this particular task. So in this B2 cell, if I write equals to len, okay, so you cannot write reference here. So it will be a data validation. So what I will be doing is that I will be moving into the data tab. Then under data validation drop down, I will be selecting data validation, and from setting I won't be taking anything they are suggesting. I will be using a custom formula, and the formula will be something like equal to len, and within this len function I will be counting this phone number, and I will be saying that it is greater than or equal to 10. Not greater than or equal to, I will be saying that it should be 10 digits. So len equals to 10. Now press OK. Now if I say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Now press enter. It is showing some error. So these are alphabets. But if I enter number, so K, if I remove one of the alphabet and press enter, there is no error in this particular cell. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, 10 digit is working fine. But the problem is that it should be numbered. So what I will be doing is that I will be modifying my validation. So what I will be doing is that I will be using two operations, and means I will be evaluating two formula. So the first formula is len, and it will be checking this particular cell value, and that cell value should be not greater than, equal to 10. Apart from this criteria, there will be another criteria, that is number, and I will be selecting that cell again. Let me close the one bracket. So is number, close one bracket, and for the n function there is another bracket. I will be giving an error alert. So title would be something like error word. Okay, error. Phone number must be 10 digit. Phone number must be 10 digit and cannot contain alphabets. Fine. Now press OK. Now I need to extend this formula, so I will be dragging it all the way across to the down, clicking into the data validation and press OK. Now let me delete the initials value. Now try to enter some ASD. Let's see what happens. So it is showing error. let me give 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's still giving error. But if I enter some phone number like 9878 4 digits, 6788 448, and there will be two more, 1 2, then press enter, it's taking that value. So this Excel tutorial I have shown you a data validation in Excel in where in a particular range of cells you can restrict the user from entering any alphabet and entering phone number that should be at least the phone number should be 10 digits long. So that's all for this video tutorial. Hope I am being able to explain properly what what the thing I was trying to achieve. So if you like my video, you can comment to let me know or suggest me to make some other kind of videos, or what more I can do of, or how I can improve myself. Basically it motivates it motivates me to make more of such videos in the near future. And you can subscribe to my channel so that in the near future, if I make any video and upload it to my channel, you will be getting a notification, so that you can take a look into it, that what I have done, and you can practice on it on your own. So before ending the video, I would like to suggest you all that take a look into this video and don't stop there. Go to your desktop or your laptop and practice on it on your own, and see the data validation which I am trying to impose on this particular range of cells, whether you are being able to reflect it or not. And if you find any problem or as such, let me know in the comment section. That's all for this video. Thank you guys, and happy coding.